Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make money on TikTok without showing your face as a complete beginner. I'll be showing you step by step how others are able to create these easy to make videos and also how to do it completely free and start making money as soon as possible. The first example that I'll be showing you is in the manifestation niche. And as you can see right here, this page has over 13.3 million likes and over 475,000 followers. And if you were to look on any one of their TikTok posts, you will realize that they are not showing their face and they are also not using their voice. All they are doing is simply posting different manifestation quotes with normal videos playing in the background, and they'll be able to leave a link in their description as you can see right here. And if I were to tap on that link, then tap on open anyway, it would lead me to this offer on which they are able to make an affiliate commission as you can see right here. All I'll need to do is simply tap on I still wish to proceed, and if I were to go through and make a purchase or to simply fill in my information, my email and so on, they'll be able to get a commission. And numerous pages are doing this, as this person found out that it was so lucrative that you can see right here, they actually created two pages, as this is manifestation live in you too, and you can see right here this is the original page, manifestation lives in you, and this one has 609 followers. And you can see other pages that persons are doing the same thing also. Manifestation 686, this person has 84,000 followers, and if you were to tap on their bit.ly link also, it would lead you to another offer. If I were to tap on open anyway, you can see right here, it leads me to another offer, which all I have to do is simply tap right here and I'll be caught up in their funnel and they'll be able to make money off me. And you can see all they are doing is posting simple videos that they simply add a code to. And to make these videos are quite easy, as all you'll need to do is go onto canva.com, which is a completely free website that you can go on. Once on canva.com, you'll simply select social media. Then you are going to tap on TikTok video. After tapping on TikTok video, you'll be redirected to this page. And now, to get the video, you may be wondering where you're going to get that from. All you'll need to do is simply go onto pixabay.com or go onto pixels.com. And with this website, you'll be able to get copyright-free content that you can use. So you'll get copyright-free songs and you can get copyright-free videos. So let's say, for example, I typed in rainfall. I could simply scroll down and I could download any one of these videos right here. And after downloading the video, all I'll need to do is go onto Google and do a simple search. Let's say, for example, manifestation quotes. And I can open up any one of these. And all I'll need to do is simply copy and paste that in the video that I'm creating on Canva. And once you have created the video on Canva, which is completely free and easy to use, you'll simply upload it to TikTok. But one thing you want to do once on TikTok and you're about to upload your video, you want to ensure that you use similar titles that this page is using. As you can see that they are getting a large engagement, and you will also use the hashtags that these pages are using. And if the manifestation niche is not for you, I'll also show you another niche right now, which is the health niche. And you can see right here on this page, this person has over 200,000 likes, and thus far they have gathered 24,000 followers. And you can see another page that is doing the same thing in the health niche, and all they're doing is posting simple infographics with a video in the background, a video of a rainfall or so on in the background. And to get the infographic, the health infographic, is quite easy. All you'll need to do is go onto Google And let's say, for example, I typed in 3-day detox juice cleanse infographic. You can see numerous infographics that I can download and use that are not only free, but they'll also be informative. So you're not posting anything banduli. So these will be able to help your viewers. And all you'll have to do is simply save this infographic. Then after saving the infographic, you'll go onto pixabay.com and you could download one of these videos right here and then go onto Canva as I had showed you earlier. And on Canva, you'll be able to put both together for completely free and download your video. And by the way, with Canva, you don't have any watermark or anything like that. So your TikTok videos will look professional. And again, as I recommended earlier in the manifestation niche, what you'll need to do is follow pages like these and use similar hashtags. After you have reached 1,000 followers, you'll be able to add an affiliate link to your description. And to get these affiliate links or to sign up, all you'll need to do is go onto Canva or Digistore 24, and these pages are completely free to sign up. For example, if I were to tap on any one of these links right here, let me go back. If I were to tap on any one of these links right here, you can see that this person has an affiliate offer. You can see right here, this one they are promoting clear skin and complexion. And once you go onto this and you make a purchase, they'll be able to get an affiliate commission. You can do this in any niche with any product. So let's say, for example, you don't want to promote a face product or so on. You can sign up to ClickBank Digistore 24, and from there you'll be able to find numerous products that you can promote and be able to start making some money. And again, you don't have to show your face, as you can see right here, and you don't even have to use your voice. It's completely free and easy to do. All you'll have to do is just post consistent content, and what I would recommend you do is post at least 4 to 6 videos per day on TikTok. And if you don't want to do this on TikTok, you could also do it on Instagram by posting these videos as Instagram. For example, you can see this Instagram page right here is posting manifestation reels, as you can see right here. And they are able to put an affiliate link right here. If I were to tap on their tiny URL link, I'm sure it would lead me to an affiliate program. As you can see right here, they are promoting Mystery School Code, and you can get this on ClickBank, as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, as I was saying earlier. So this is a clear example that you can also do manifestation niche on Instagram, and you'll still be able to make a good amount of money daily. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.